during a joint operation between the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Jamaica Custom, and our international partners. A total of 59 firearms were recovered at Freeport, Montego Bay. The firearm consists of 5 rifles and 54 handguns. There were also 101 assorted rounds of ammunition found. This operation is considered to be an intelligence-led operation with the several stakeholders and partners involved. And we have strengthened the partnership between the JCF and other entities within Jamaica. And the results have been quite significant. We have seen, for example, the recent seizure of a significant amount of cocaine, 2 since the beginning of the year, or last year and this year. Prior to this seizure, there was a 22 firearm that were seized at this exact location as well. So the partnership is continuing, and we continue to strengthen our intelligence capability within the JCF. The investigation in relation to both finds continues, and we believe that at the end of the day, we will successfully prosecute those who are behind sending these illegal weapons. These weapons are weapons of destruction. They are not sent to shoot birds, they are sent to shoot human beings. And when you consider within the past 2 or 3 weeks, we have seized in excess of 85 firearms. We do not manufacture firearms in Jamaica. When we consider the destruction that these firearms can cause, we are really appealing to the public that whenever you get information regarding firearms, tell us. We will do the necessary in identifying and locating those who are responsible. So again, we continue to pursue those who are involved in organized crime, those who are involved in a system of destruction, because people who send firearms to Jamaica are people who have evil intent to destroy and to create mayhem in our society. But we continue to pursue them, and we are working very closely with our international partners, and we promise that we are going to find these people who are responsible. As we improve our operational activities as well as our intelligence capability, I must commend the men and women on the front line who continue to work very hard to make Jamaica safer. These men and women from all the agencies who conducted the search, who are there ensuring that the appropriate protocol and SOPs are adhered to, and who actually are doing the heavy lifting. We want to commend them for the work. And in this operation, we have, as I said, the custom, we have persons from CTAC, we have persons from scenes of crime, and all the other supports that were given. We really want to commend them and just encourage them to continue, as this is an effort to make our country a safer place for everyone.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!